Did you know you can own 100% of a property here in Dubai as an international investor, of course, and you don't need to be resident here and no property tax ever. And if you have been thinking about investing in Dubai real estate for some time and you don't know how and where to start, today I'm going to break down everything for you step by step in simple terms so you can understand it easily. So, I'm Adele. I'm a RERA licensed real estate agent here in Dubai, and I have been working in the industry for 4 years. So let's get straight to the point. Most of the investors, they have a fear of investing in Dubai real estate, and they always ask me, Adele, is it safe to invest in Dubai real estate? And I always say, in my opinion, Dubai real estate is one of the safest real estate market in the world because it's very transparent, regulated, and protected by law, guys. Okay? So your gateway to investing to Dubai real estate is an agent. But it's not any agent. That agent has to be RERA certified. Why? Because RERA means Real Estate Regulatory Agency, which licenses all the real estate professionals in the market, and they have been through training and they passed their exams, so they know the rules and regulations of this real estate market very well. So they will save your time a lot when it comes to real estate investment here. And also, RERA licenses all the developers who are building their project in this market also. So you can actually verify your agent and the developer that who you are investing anytime, instantly, online, anywhere in the world. Okay? Yeah, so it's important to work with an agent who actually licensed. Because no buying and selling happens without the agent here in Dubai. That's why. And also, Dubai real estate is big, it's not small. So the agent who has been in the industry for some time, they will have a wide knowledge of the real estate market here, so they can bring you the best opportunities which is existing in the market. So currently, as an international investor, you can have two types of investor visa. One is golden visa. This visa, Dubai introduced last year. So you have to invest 2 million dirham into property. Your property can be ready or off plan, doesn't matter, but the value of your property has to be 2 million or above. Then you will get 10 years of golden visa. With that, you can sponsor your whole family, and your whole family can live, work, and study here in this country. And then second investor visa is for 2 years. It's only for you because the investment amount is smaller than 2 million. It is the minimum has to be 750,000 dirham in property. So these two investor visa will be valid as long as your property is here in Dubai. After you sell your property, this investor visa will be cancelled. Okay, so remember that. So the first thing is that before investing in Dubai real estate, you have to set your investment goal. Okay, what you want from your investment, that you should have a very transparent conversation with the agent, like what is the budget that you are going to invest in real estate and what you are expecting back from your investment. So as I told you, Dubai real estate is not small, and not one single agent cannot know every single area of the city. So most of the times agents, they are specialized in certain areas, but over time we actually know the whole city's real estate market very well. So the experienced ones are of course the better. Okay, so you can invest in a ready property, or you can invest in off-plan projects. The ready projects are quite straightforward, that we will find you a property within your budget, and we will choose the best areas with the highest capital appreciation, with the highest ROI. And then you can immediately rent out your property. You can do Airbnb, or you can use it as a holiday home. When it comes to off-plan projects, the beauty of it is that you don't need to pay 100% of your payment in one go. You are paying your money in installments, or you can call it as a payment plan. Most of the developers say it is a payment plan. So, and there are so many developers in the market, and which developers are reliable, and they are who is handing over their projects on time, and which developers are pricing their projects in a reasonable way is something that your agent will tell you. And also you can ask your agent which areas are best for investment currently by 2026, because every areas they perform different, because each area of the city will have different risk returns and strategies to enter. So we need to know the starting price to enter into the real estate market. So for example, you choose like a specific property and you like some specific property. So you can ask your agent that what is the current market price of the similar properties in the market, and your agent will bring you all the data, or even you can check it yourself on DXP Interact. But I think you don't need to waste your time on checking it on Google or ChatGPT or those websites, because the human interaction, the real human experience is always better than any platform and any applications, okay? Because we have more different experience in the real field. Yeah, and let's continue. Yeah, so I was in an offline project. Yeah. So offline projects, you have to check the payment plan very well, because most of the offline projects in the market currently are handing over like 1 year time, 2 year time, 3 years time. The maximum is like 4 years time. So the longer the period, the easier for you to pay for the longer period of time in small installments. But the near the handover, that you will pay your installment in quite a short period of time, okay? And all the investors who are investing in Dubai real estate, they have to know there are extra costs outside of your property value. So for example, even whether you are buying ready to move in or offline project, you will pay 4% of that property value to Dubai Land Department as a registration fee. And Dubai Land Department will register the property under your name and give you a code, which is your property certificate under your name, which is like validating that you own that property, okay? And aside of 4%, this 4%, there is like other small fees, so that you should keep that in mind, and you will know. And then there are certain formalities which has to be done when it comes to buying and selling, but this is your agent's job, so your agent will make your buying and selling process hassle-free for you, okay? Yeah. If you are someone who is looking for a high rental income, Dubai is like the best city, because like in 1 year time, 18,500,000 tourists or business people go through Dubai. So Airbnb doesn't stay empty. Airbnb works really well over here, or the short-term rental or holiday home works really well. Or maybe you are wondering, okay, I invested in a property in Dubai, but I'm not going to live there, so who is going to manage my investment? And you don't need to worry, and that is what we do. That is the real estate agents. Even if you are here or not, we manage your property, rental, reselling, upgrading, anything that we do, manage it for you from here. So that is not so difficult. Yeah, that's about it. And if I didn't mention anything that you wanted to hear, please feel free to leave it in the comment, and I will be happy to answer you guys, okay? So guys, please support my channel. I'm trying to be very consistent, and your support, like and subscribe, comment will be highly appreciated. And thank you so much, and I will do my best to bring a great value in my next video. Okay, see you soon.